My name is Israel Dominguez. I'm the Director of Economic and Workforce Development here at Saddleback College. I view our partnership with the City of Tustin as both essential and strategic. We are focusing on workforce development. We'll be able to build a talent pipeline for local businesses and industry sectors, and particularly in automotive technology and hospitality. We're here to support all businesses by providing training to the workforce, career opportunities for local residents, and collaborate and help the overall economic prosperity of the City of Tustin.
Hi, my name is Valentin Flores. I'm the Deputy Director of Economic Development for the City of Tustin. The City of Tustin views the partnership with Saddleback as key and strategic. As economic developers, we can't set out to improve our local economy if we don't have strong partnerships all the way from our school district, our community colleges, and even four-year colleges. What I've noticed about Saddleback is that they have the programs that I felt that the city needed in order to really elevate our small business community.
This signature event at the City of Tustin, the Chili Cook-Off, is a fabulous opportunity for our students, for them to get real-world experience in a very exciting environment that gets them involved with the community and help build their civic pride.
We're very happy to have Saddleback join us this year. It's our marquee event. Tens of thousands of people come within a very close proximity of Tustin to join this event. What I saw is a culinary arts program that should be highlighted, and why not have them make some chili, right? So I think it's gonna be the perfect storm. I hope the students enjoy it, and I know that the community is gonna enjoy it. A lot of other cities, municipalities are struggling to really recruit building inspectors in that field. And what I loved about Saddleback is that we made that need known, and Saddleback and their economic development workforce program jumped all over it. They started creating an event. So we're very happy to be partnering with Saddleback to really bring to attention the fact that there is a void and a need.
We work closely with industry. We have program advisory committees that they provide input on our educational programs, certainly in construction, architecture, building inspection, among many other fields.
It's all about creating a pipeline, all the way from the high school level to the community college level and four-year level.
The Saddleback College Economic and Workforce Development Initiative provides customized training to local businesses and industries across many different fields, from business and management skills to computer skills, manufacturing skills, among others. We help close the skills gap, help companies become more efficient, more productive, and more globally competitive. And we partner with a number of industries in the area, and we're here to help the businesses and industries in the City of Tustin.
The message that I would send to the business community is that you have an institution that it wants to be in the community, is rich in resources, and is rich in human capital, and they're looking to connect the dots. They're willing to come out and meet you where you're at. I hear every single day small businesses that are struggling to hire, that are struggling for skilled labor, and this is a huge resource that I think not only Orange County, but all of Southern California should be participating more with.